How to create Instagram account in laptop. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to do it in just a few minutes. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Next, open your favorite web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but the steps are exactly the same in Microsoft Edge, Safari, or any other browser. Now click the address bar at the top of your browser. Then type instagram.com and press enter. Once the Instagram homepage loads, look toward the bottom of the sign-in page. Now create a new account. This will open the account creation page. You now have two ways to create your Instagram account. If you already have a Facebook account, simply click Login with Facebook. You'll be redirected to Facebook, where you can sign in using your Facebook email and password. Instagram will then create your account using those details. If you'd rather create a brand new account, stay on this page. Now enter your mobile number or email address. Then type your full name. Next, create a username. Make sure your username is unique. If someone else is already using it, Instagram will ask you to choose a different one. Finally, create a strong password. Once you've filled everything in, click Sign Up. If you signed up with an email address, Instagram will send a verification code to your inbox. If you used your phone number instead, you'll receive the code by text message. Simply enter the verification code on the next screen. After that, your Instagram account will be created successfully. If this tutorial helped you create your Instagram account, subscribe for more quick Instagram, social media, and tech tutorials that save you time. And that's it. You've successfully created an Instagram account on your PC or Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.